Hi everyone, inviting you to our upcoming Unity 3D Essential Training. So today, pinahiram po tayo ng MSI ng kanilang mga laptop para sa ating upcoming training at gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo ngayon yung mga laptop na yon. So ito po yung una. Let me show you the first one. Which is an MSI Raider. Yan. Ano pa ba? So, tatlong laptop pa lang nandito. So, the other one is, we have here an MSI. It's a Core i7. K1607. The third one is, ano kaya to? It's another MSI, of course. K16 ulit. K1607 with an NVIDIA GeForce GPU. Yan. Check natin yung ibang bag. Ito ulit, isa pang masyadong mabigat na bag. So dito rin, tatlo din yung laptop. Ito, let me show you another MSI. Ano naman kaya to? It's Core i7 GE62VR with the GeForce GTX 1060. Okay? Okay ko yan dito. Another inside the bag. Ito, para kapareho ng kanina. Again, it's another MSI Raider. Ang nakalagay sa kanya, MSI Raider. Next, para kapareho ng kanina. Ito naman ay Core i7 din. It's GS603VR. So inulit ko po ulit, itong mga laptop na to was provided by MSI for our upcoming Unity 3D Essential Training. So ito rin sa ating third bag. I have here an MSI. What's this? Hindi ko alam kung ano. So ito po, another MSI with a shiny bevel at the edge. Siyang shiny bevel. Okay. Next. Isa po ata ulit tong MSI Raider. Okay. So yun, overall, I have here 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9 laptop na ginagamit ko ngayon. So once more, I am inviting all of you, students and educators, to attend our 2-day free Unity 3D Essential Training. This will be a whole day. Tapos in addition, you have to bring your own pack, snacks, and lunch kasi walang canteen sa ating venue unless na kayo po ay order outside. So, once more, inviting you and see you to the upcoming Unity 3D Essential Training.